Clubbing for the first time at 25 and here's how it went. Hey birdies, we're here at Poblacion, Makati para mag-nightclub with my college friends. FYI, we graduated 4 years ago already. They were my thesis mates, we were all din sisters and academic scholars. Pero teka, bakit may pa-disclaimer? De okay lang, judge nyo na lang pala kami. Charot. We had our dinner muna and sa mismong kainan pa lang nagpa-practice na kami ng moves na pwedeng dalhin sa clubs. After having our dinner, we went from one bar to another. Etong first club na napuntahan namin, medyo maluwag, malamig kasi di naman ganun ka-crowded, there's no entrance fee pero may kamahalan kapag nag-avail ka ng table. Di rin masyadong relatable yung mga musics nila, kaya naman we were enjoying na lang yung vibe ng isa't isa. After few minutes, we decided to transfer here in Sanctuary, 350 pesos entrance fee with 1 cocktail or 2 beers. Dito medyo nawindang kami at first dahil it was so crowded. Halos wala ng space. Pero in fairness dito, ang gaganda ng music, choice of songs pa lang, panalo na. It is really relatable and timeless for our generation, makakasabay ka talaga. Dito mas feel pa nga namin yung party-party dahil sinabayan pa nga ng napaka-cool na crowd. People were vibing to music and almost everyone are friendly. We have met new people dahil kahit strangers nakikipagsagutan ng lyrics. As someone who is socially awkward and hirap makipagkaibigan with strangers, I really appreciate their move to make friends. Nakakatuwa, I just really did not expect that there are friendly people at the club. Kala ko kanya-kanyang grupo. Overall, vibe, ambience, music, and crowd are really great. Obviously, I really had fun. But my inner tita heart says, grabe, nakakapagod pala to.